Yeah, you are welcome to this meeting of study of ghazals, and we will be discussing about the ghazals which Baba liked. And as we know, during Baba's stay at Maharazad and Guru Prasad, beloved Baba has various session of singing ghazals and bhajans, and Baba used to explain the mystical meaning of the ghazals. He used to stop the singers. Baba used to enjoy this, and he went to the extent that he gave liberation also to some of the singers, as Simov's name is very common, and other singers Baba liked very much. So, actually, Bal Nathuji gave me a file of ghazals, and and he wanted me to sing those ghazals, and I sang some ghazals, few ghazals, but still there are so many ghazals, and I didn't know what to do. But coincidentally, I got this opportunity in Zoom, and Angela wanted me to tell about ghazals Baba liked, to especially to the Western Baba lovers, so they can get acquainted with the various aspects of Indian music and ghazal and bhajans and thumris. And so in this series I thought that those singers who actually sang before Baba, and so listen them first, enjoy their singing first. So in that series I started with Lata Lime, and as we know, Lata Lime was she's a great singer. Still she is there, and she sang before Baba at Maharazad, and she won the President Award, and we had a session with her last time. Then the Thade families we had. Now this time I have invited very famous ghazal and qawwali singer, Mr. Manik Ubale, and his daughter. So I thought it will be good for Manik Ubale and Ahimsa ji to present their singing, and various, and his daughter Ahimsa ji, she is a professor in music, so she also could explain various aspect of singing, like ghazal singing, that technical aspect, like what is the difference between ghazal and thumri and qawwali, because our western friends, Baba lovers, they mostly ask the question that what is qawwali and what is ghazal, and so such kind of things. So I think it's a kind of educative session, and I like to explain the meaning of the ghazals also during this course. So today we have nice opportunity to hear to Himsa ji and Manik Ubale ji. I begin with this Huma ghazal. Actually, my most favorites are now I find that Huma ghazals. And you know, Baba in his early days, his Sadguru Upasni Maharaj, in early days, Baba wrote when Baba was under intoxication, and that state between Guru and disciple was going on between Upasni Maharaj and beloved Baba. So he used to write ghazals in the name of Huma. So I like to sing this ghazal, Huma ghazal, Om tu Paramatma tu. I begin with this, and then I will hand over to Ubale ji and family. ओम तू पर मात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू गॉड तू अल्लाह अहुरमा ब्रह्म तू यजदान तू okay. Sorry, I try to play this tabla with me, but yeah. ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू गॉड तू अल्लाह रमा ब्रह्म तू यजदान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तू जगत करता पिता तू ही पालनहार है मालिक हर दो जहाँ तू एक तू यकसान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तुझसे पैदा सारी हस्ती तुझसे कुदरत का निशान हाजिर है हर शय में यकसां अज नजर पिन हान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तुझसे कुल खत है पैदा तू जमीनों तू जमान आसमान खुर्शीद तू ही कब के तू मेहरबान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तू ही मालिक तू ही नौकर तू गदा सुल्तान तू इश्क तू फुरकत भी तू है वास्ल तू दीदार ही ओम तू परमात्मा तू निराकार बेरंग तुझसे सब रंग आशिकार तू बशर जीनों परी तू हूर तू गुलमान तू ओम तुझको यार भी क्यों नहीं मिलता मुझे, फजल करके वस्ल दे तो रहम कर रहमान तू, तू परमात्मा सद्गुरु पासनी महाराज तू अवतार तू, मेहर करके मेहरबान को रब की है पहचान तू, ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू. Sorry, I was actually had a hangover of driving, and also I could not catch the right sur to my satisfaction. But anyway, I will. Ahimsa ji, are you ready for singing or ghazal?
Uncle, am I
Yeah.
audible now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You're
Haha.
audible, audible.
Uncle,
Welcome,
you
Ansaji.
sang very
Yeah.
well.
Okay, okay, okay.
Baba.
Yeah, yeah,
You can please carry on with the other ghazal as well. Till then,
yeah. Ye-
my father's problem will be resolved. I think so. I've
Okay,
asked him to read. Let's see.
oh,
Yes.
okay, okay, okay. So I sing this another ghazal of Kamar, and Baba means there are stanzas. Baba liked this so much, and मुझे गले लगा के न छोड़ना मेरी ज़िंदगी का सवाल है. Oh, that's a very nice stanzas, and I try to put this digital tabla Rupak Tal. Um, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं, मेरे दिल को. Am I audible, Prakash ji? Is it
Yeah.
Prakash ji? Okay.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah. मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं, मेरे दिल को इतना मलाल है, मैं तुम्हारा हो तो चुका, मगर तुम्हें कब किसी का ख्याल है, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं. The poet says कि I don't have any other sorrows except this regret in my heart that I have offered myself to you, but you don't care for me anyway more. Means you are so indifferent to me. So that's my malaise. And then he says, your beauty is your simplicity, and your simplicity is your beauty. For my poetically inclined mind, you are the glorious perfection of the beauty. It is my fault that I've been deceived by you and waylaid by your alluring beauty. I've been trapped in your mayajal. after embracing me and drawing me closer to you. प्लीज़ मुझे गले लगा के न छोड़ना, मेरी ज़िंदगी का सवाल है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट abandon me after embracing me. It's a question of my life and death for me. Let me burn in the fire of your love, and you must burn down my body, my life, my separate existence. This is my small wish, and this is my simple representation to you. I am eternally grateful to you for the agony that your love has given me. It has made me devoid of any other longing. Kamar, the poet, says, I am fortunate to have you in my life, and your presence in my life is the fulfillment of all my desires. Yeah. तेरा हुस्न है, तेरी सादगी, तेरी सादगी, तेरा हुस्न है, तेरा हुस्न है, तेरी सादगी, तेरी सादगी, तेरा हुस्न है, मेरे शायरान मज़ाज में तू फरोग हुस्न कमाल है, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं. मैं फरेब हुस्न में आ गया, मैं फरेब हुस्न में आ गया, नहीं इसमें मेरी कोई खता. मैं फरेब हुस्न में आ गया, नहीं इसमें मेरी कोई खता. तू गले लगा के न छोड़ना, तू गले लगा के न छोड़ना, मेरी जिंदगी का सवाल है, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं. मेरे जिस्म जान को तू फूक दे, मेरे जिस्म जान को तू फूक दे, मैं जला करूं तेरे इश्क में. मेरे जिस्म जान को तू फूक दे, मैं जला करूं तेरे इश्क में. मेरी एक छोटी सी आरज़ू, मेरी एक छोटी सी आरज़ू, मेरा एक सादा सवाल है, मुझे और कोई तो गम नहीं. मैं रहीन मिन्नते दर्द हूँ, मैं रहीन मिन्नते दर्द हूँ, नहीं और कोई तलब कमर. मैं रहीन मिन्नते दर्द हूँ, नहीं और कोई तलब कमर. मेरा यार मेरे नसीब में, मेरा यार मेरे नसीब में, मेरी आरज़ू का महाल है, गम नहीं, मेरे दिल को इतना मलाल है, मैं तुम्हारा हो तो चुका, मगर तुम्हें कब किसी का ख्याल है. So in the last stanza he said, मैं रहीने मिन्नते दर्द हूँ, I am eternally grateful to you for the agony that your love has given me. See, so that pain, that mystical pain, he feels very grateful that I am eternally grateful to you for the agony that your love has given me. It has made me devoid of any other longing. Very good. So it has, my all other longings are suppressed, and this pain, this mystical pain, has suppressed all my other longings. And Kamar says, I am fortunate to have you in my life, and your presence in my life is the fulfillment of all my desires. Yeah. So this mystical pain and this suffering, it's really means they get addicted and they are intoxicated in it, and like people who get the temporary addiction in wine or maybe some other thing, but this divine intoxication is something else. So from ishke mizazi to ishke hakike, so this is a real intoxication. So that what can music can give, impart. Yeah. So, Ahimsa ji, are you ready, or Manik ji is still will take some time? Uh, yeah.
I'll do one thing, Uncle. I'll just begin
Yeah. Yeah,
with
yeah.
whatever
And,
I've
yeah,
prepared, and
yeah.
let's see
Yeah, in the
what happens.
meantime,
Because
yeah,
yes,
in the meantime,
I
yeah, he can join.
yeah,
Yeah.
I tried a lot
Okay,
to
okay.
resolve his problem, but I think there's a genuine technical problem because he has
Okay.
entered
Okay.
the correct
Uh,
password also, but he's
okay.
unable to join. So I'll just begin. So,
Because yeah, I
uh,
tried to sending him message on WhatsApp,
huh,
and
yeah,
I saw that he did not receive those. He's not receiving, so
okay,
I felt some
okay.
problem is there. So
Okay,
Ahimsa
must
ji,
be.
please
Yes, uncle.
means just tell me that you are from Nagpur, and I understand you are teaching music.
Yes,
Yeah. So just first simply may tell us that what ghazal is, and what the various aspect of ghazal, like we hear thumri, and what to my
yes,
understanding, I explained in the previous meetings, and like other aspects of bhajans, and of course I told them that it's a ghazal is a Urdu shairi, Urdu poetry, and it is sung in a rhythmic way, mostly Dadra and Rupak Tal and Kahrwa Ghazal, something like that. So maybe you can correct me and maybe
no, no,
more
you were
rationalized.
absolutely right,
Yeah,
uncle.
and
You
more,
were
and
absolutely right.
What Baba like did is he said it should be sung with the feeling and emotion,
Yes,
and proper meaning and feelings,
yes,
and then of course the talent of the singer and the how much heart he puts into it, and then it pleases him.
yes,
So yeah.
yes. Basically, when we talk about ghazal. So
Yeah.
it's like it's a as you said, you have very correctly described ghazal as a lyrical poetry.
Yeah.
But just just a second. So when we basically talk about ghazal, so it's a very beautiful combination
Mhm.
human
Yeah.
feelings and
Yeah.
uh, means whatever love one might be feeling, and
Yeah.
a combination of human feeling, human love, and mystical love as well, which
Yeah.
is related to divinity or spirituality. So it's a great
Yeah.
combination of both of these. So Baba
Mm.
must be liking it or loving it because of this very reason. I personally feel so. And
Yeah, he
if
like
we talk about,
yeah, yeah, he liked
yes,
so much that even he gave liberation, means mukti.
yes,
So that shows the extent of, because the getting liberation is such a hard. The yogis, they do meditation, yogas and whatnot. But here
very right.
this man singing, and Baba said that wherever he is, Sima, I have liberated him. So that's really, I'm very much impressed with and see the talent of Sima, that Ishke Hakiki and Ishke Mizazi. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
So I've written a few lines, means historical background of a ghazal.
Oh,
So
uh-huh.
ghazal is a form of lyrical poetry, and its origin lies in Persia. And besides Persian language, ghazals were also composed in Arabic and Urdu languages. The earlier form of ghazals is said to be uh, a qasida. Qasida meaning a lengthy formal ode taken over from Arabic. Then the ghazal has been cultivated at the centers of the Sufis. Means previously it has come from the Sufism, and one of the first and greatest collections of mystical ghazals was Jalaluddin Rumi. And
Yeah,
ghazals soon became um, uh, a tradition, we can call, of the courts as well.
yeah.
So, some of the names which could be uh, taken in this field are of Hafiz, then Amir Khusro, and Mirza Ghalib ji. So, these are the ancient, renowned poets of
Baba
Ghazal.
mentioned about Hafiz also, Baba's
Hafiz
favorite
also,
poet.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So, would you like to listen to Begum Akhtar ji's ghazal, uncle,
Oh yeah, Begum Akhtar,
sung by
she was one of the favorite singers of Baba.
singers of
And
Baba? Yes.
she performed at Mehrezad. Initially, she was invited in 1937 and 38. Baba wanted to listen, but then she
Yes.
demanded huge money, and Adi, when told, Baba say, no, no, don't call her. But then later on, she herself felt inwardly, and she came at his feet, and she
Right.
asked for forgiveness, and "ए मोहब्बत तेरे अंजाम पे रोना आया." That was the
Right.
ghazal. Yeah, she sang to
So I would
Baba.
sing just a stanza of
Yeah.
that ghazal and
Oh,
one more Bhauji's ghazal.
okay, sure. Please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Hmm. गुल अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. ऐ मोहब्बत, ऐ मोहब्बत, ऐ मोहब्बत, तेरे अंजाम पे रोना आया। ऐ मोहब्बत, तेरे अंजाम पे रोना आया। जाने क्यों आज, जाने क्यों जाने क्यों आज तेरे नाम पे रोना आया। है मोहब्बत, यूं तो है शाम, शाम, यूं तो है शाम उम्मीदों में गुजर जाती थी। हाय, यूं तो है शाम उम्मीदों में गुजर जाती थी। आज कुछ बात है, बात है, आज कुछ बात है जो शाम पे रोना आया। आज कुछ बात है जो शाम पे रोना आया। ऐ मोहब्बत, as we all know that Shakil
Badaimi.
ji, Badaimi, he is the lyricist of this ghazal, and Baba also loved Shakil ji's lyrics. So Shakil ji says, जब हुआ जिक्र ज़माने में मोहब्बत का शकील, आ, आ, जब हुआ जिक्र ज़माने में मोहब्बत का शकील है। मुझको अपने दिले आए, मुझको अपने दिले नाकाम पे रोना आया। है मोहब्बत, तेरे अंजाम पे रोना आया। है मोहब्बत, है मोहब्बत, है मोहब्बत। बोलो अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Beautiful. You sang so correctly. Yeah.
And I wanted to tell you something about Abhanga also, because
Okay.
as we all know that Baba loved Tukaram Maharaj, his lyrics, and he used to sing when Baba was not silent. He used to sing Tukaram Maharaj ji's Abhangas also.
As far as my knowledge goes, the Abhangs started somewhere in 11th century. And
Yes.
Sant Soira Maharaj, I remember his one version is very popular in Maharashtra.
Mhm.
Hari Bhajana Bina Veda Ghalavu Nakore. Oh, that's a
Right.
beautiful version. And what a concept that don't waste your time without singing Hari Bhajan in the praise of
Yes.
Lord.
Very true. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think the Maharashtra culture is full of abhangas.
Full of
And
Abhangas. Varkari
yeah,
Sampradaya and all that was
Var-
started by Jnaneshwar Maharaj actually.
right, yeah,
Jnaneshwar Maharaj and Namdev
yeah,
ji. So
yeah,
they were like they wanted to demolish this casteism creed and
yeah,
all, and
right.
they wanted just they wanted to spread the name of uh, Vithoba.
God. Yeah, Vithoba
Yes,
is
God.
the Lord Krishna. And
Lord Krishna.
coincidentally means it is in Alandi, outside of Pune.
Yes.
And they means surprisingly are the three brothers and sister Muktabai, they are all perfect master in one family.
Right.
It never happened in the history, so that's the highlight of the
And when we talk about the term Abhanga, so it is also a form of devotional poetry, we can say, and which is sung in the praise of God Vithoba. And Abhanga means a non interrupting or a flawless, continuous process of reciting a
right.
poetry.
Yeah,
Right, Uncle?
yeah,
Narrator uncle?
अभंग मीन्स जिसको
Hmm.
भंग ना किया जा सके,
Bhanga na
भंग.
kiya ja sakte. Yes.
Right. Yeah,
Yeah. And Tukaram Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, and various saints, they
yeah,
have
yeah,
spreaded the name of
yeah, yeah.
God
So, yeah. So
through these
abhanga
abhangas.
means yeah. So abhanga means it should be continuous pronunciation of Lord's name without breaking it,
Without
and
breaking it.
without breaking it. That's what Baba also told us. Remember
Yes.
Him, constant remembrance of the
Constantly.
Lord, and
Right.
surprisingly in abhanga, and even the tal and all, they go in the very high pitch, and I love when they warkaris they walk through
Varkari.
entire Pune is stopped, and
Right.
so much devotion, it's surprisingly, my God, and
Yes. And
everything
that
is
strength,
tough
it is,
hearts, yeah,
they gain
yeah,
that strength through those beats, through that,
yeah,
the nad. Nad means the sound
yeah,
of
yeah,
those tar and
yeah.
all,
Yeah,
manjiri,
yeah, yeah.
kanjiri,
Amazing. Can you sing
mridanga.
yeah, can you sing one Abhanga or
Yes,
something?
I'll just recite a few lines
Okay,
of
okay.
Abhanga. सुंदर ते ध्यान उभे विटेवरी सुंदर ते ध्यान उभे विटेवरी करकटावरी हे मुनिया सुंदर ते ध्यान उभे विधान तुलसी हार गाया कासे पीतांबर तुलसी हार गाया कासे पीतांबर पाहते निर पाहते निरंतर हरि सुंदरति ध्यान. So this is also Sant Tukaram Maharaj
Very good, very
ji's
good.
Abhang,
Yeah, yeah. You have
sung.
beautiful voice. You have very beautiful voice. I am actually fan of Ubaleji and your singing. Yeah. I can just sing two lines if this Hari Bhajana bin Kala Ghadgunako, so that
Hey,
just
Vijay,
yeah, yeah.
Ahimsa also got a tonic from his father.
Oh, really?
See, I've sent what is meant by ghazal, what is abang, what is kawal, all
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
meanings in the chat box
yeah.
link. If anybody can download that link and listen,
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, because that Bhajani Theka,
they
just I want,
can go through what is kawal, what is abang. Yeah. Jai Mai
yeah. I think voice is breaking, Meherchan. Your sound is breaking, Prakashji.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
I think the sound is breaking. What Meherchan is talking. So
No,
I just
I just said I've sent the link. What is meant by abang? What is
okay, okay,
ghazal? What is
yeah,
kawal? And
yeah.
what is tumri?
Okay, okay, okay.
Complete
Yeah,
links.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I've also sent to you on WhatsApp also.
Okay, okay. We'll note it. Yeah. Thank you, Marshanji. And I
Jai Mai
just,
Baba.
yeah, Jai Baba. I just wanted to play that tal so that you get the idea of how that bhajani tal is there, that thika, and yeah. So let me see. Uh, Yeah, so Ahimsa ji, please go ahead. Yeah, please continue. I will play it later on.
Huh. So what else would you like to hear from me, uncle?
Yeah, can you sing a ghazal? And yeah, yeah, you are just sang the ghazal. Now, I
Huh,
would like to.
I was also going to sing my uh, means self-composed ghazal
Okay,
written
please.
by
Yeah,
Bhauji. I've just tried
okay.
to compose it
Uh huh.
in Raag Kirwani.
Kirwani, yeah. Okay.
अपनी गले लगा कर मेहर न छोड़ देना अपनी गले लगा कर मेहर न छोड़ देना जुड़ जो गया है नाता मेहर न तोड़ देना अपने गले लगा कर मेहर न छोड़ देना जीवन का सिलसिला तो मर जाने पे भी रहना जीवन का सिलसिला तो मर जाने भी रहना मर जाने पे भी रहना जीवन की सारी प्रियनम घड़ियों तोड़ देना, जुड़ जो गया है नाता में है न तोड़ देना, अपने गले लगा कर मेहर न छोड़ देना।
Wonderful. So, after embracing me, Meher, don't leave me, don't desert me. That's the meaning. Beautiful. And yeah, so I see now Manik Ubaleji. Welcome, Manik Ubaleji. Your presence is long awaited, and thank you for appearing. And Manik Ubaleji is from
Garu, you are
Nagpur.
muted. You are muted. Ubale Garu, you are
हाँ हाँ
muted.
या प्रकाश जी या कैन यू अनम्यूट मानिक जी उवाली जी
आवाज आ रही
हाँ
आवाज आ रही
हाँ
क्या?
नाउ यस यस
हाँ,
जय बाबा
जय बाबा
नाउ वी कैन हियर यू
जय बाबा जी।
वेलकम
सॉरी
एंड
फॉर लेट
हाँ
आपने
टेक्निकल
हाँ
हमारे को बहुत
प्रॉब्लम
आपने हमारे को बहुत देर इंतजार करा दिया। हाँ?
टेक्निकल
तो
प्रॉब्लम था,
इसके
बाबा की मर्जी है।
इसके खातिर आप दो अच्छा गजल, जोरदार गजल, एक कव्वाली गाना चाहिए।
हाँ हाँ तो बिफोर मानिक जी स्टार्ट्स टेक्स ओवर
हाँ
I would like to
हाँ
say that Manik Ubaleji is from Nagpur and he is such a famous Qawwali singer and ghazal singer and bhajan singer in Bawa community, and he goes travels all over. And we also went to Nagpur, and he accompanied us to Tajuddin Baba's Dargah, I remember. And he chased in his car to our bus, and he was there, and he organized that program at Tajuddin Baba's Dargah. And we got all Pimpri Chinchwad members a beautiful handkerchief from Tajuddin Baba's Dargah. So, I think before you start, you can tell, so because Tajuddin Baba is also one of the Sadguru, Baba's Sadguru,
बाबा
and
सदगुरु
his dargah at Kamti. So maybe some
वाकी वाकी
वाकी
वाकी
Waki.
वाकी
So
सावनेर
you
रोड
can, yeah, Saune Road. So it's by the bank of the river. So it's a beautiful place. And
हाँ
Tajuddin Baba's role is Sadguru's role, one of the five Sadgurus. So, and so Nagpur city is blessed with Tajuddin Baba's presence. And you know those kawals, they sing at his dargah, mazar, and so that was people are benefited there, Nagpur people, and I am sure that Manik ji also got that talent by his blessing and Meher Baba's blessing. Manik ji came to Baba in 1967. I know
हाँ
he was a good friend of my father, and my
हाँ
father, because he is from originally from Nagpur.
नागपुर
So yeah. So yeah, this bhajan singing and these people from Vidarbha, they are really, their devotion is such a great devotion, and they come to Mehrabad and sing bhajans and welcome all Baba lovers from all over. They sing bhajans, they do very good programs. So please tell us something about Tajuddin Baba. What just for 5 minutes? Yeah. Then you can sing a beautiful Qawwali, and I can translate or whatever you like to translate. Yeah.
जय बाबा
Jai Baba.
ताजुद्दीन बाबा नागपुर में जब आए तो वो महाराजा के घर में भोसले राजा हैं किंग
हाँ.
उनके यहाँ रुके थे
Okay.
भोसले
हाँ
वो
हाँ
रघुजी नगर बोलते रघुजी
हाँ.
नगर में
Right right.
हाँ तो फिर वहां से फिर उनको वाकी लेके गए
हाँ
वो लोग पागल
हाँ
पागल बोलते थे, उनको तो पागल खाने में एडमिट भर्ती किया था। लोग
हाँ
उनको
हाँ
पत्थरे
या
मारते थे। हाँ,
हाँ हाँ
उनकी
ओके
अवहेलना करते थे, तो
हाँ हाँ
उनको
हाँ
फिर पागल खाने में एडमिट कर दिया।
हाँ हाँ
वहां पर भी उनका दरगाह है पागल खाने
या
में।
या
एक वो
या
राजा के बाड़े में है, राजा जहाँ रहते थे वहां पर
ओके
भी है।
हाँ हाँ
और
हाँ
एक बहुत बड़ा दरगाह नागपुर में उमरेड रोड पर है, बहुत बड़ा।
ओके
मगर
सो देयर
प्योर
आर
जो
थ्री
दरगाह
दरगाहs
है
हाँ
वो
हाँ
है
हाँ
रघुजी नगर।
रघुजी
हाँ,
नगर
3 दरगाह।
या
मेन दरगाह वैसा देखा जाए तो रघुजी नगर का है।
ओके
तो फिर वो वाकी में बाबा आने से वाकी को ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस आ गया। ताजुद्दीन बाबा वाकी में आए ना, तो
हाँ
वहीं पे
हाँ
मेहर बाबा से
या
मुलाकात हुई उनकी, वाकी।
वाकी
तो,
या
तो टुकड़ो जी महाराज जब आए थे, तो टुकड़ो जी महाराज के बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहूंगा मैं।
या
टुकड़ो
प्लीज
जी महाराज, राष्ट्र संत टुकड़ो जी महाराज
so I just
गोरक्षण,
translate
नागपुर में
I just
गोरक्षण करके हैं।
yeah okay
हाँ
बाबा ते
ओके।
ट्रान्सलेट करतात आधी
हाँ
तुम्ही जे सांगितलं ते.
हाँ,
हाँ
मग
हाँ
पुढचं सांगा.
हाँ हाँ so what Manik
सांगू
Ubale is yeah
की
Manik
ट्रांसलेट?
Ubale yeah so Manik Ubale is telling about Tajuddin Baba that initially when Tajuddin Baba came to Nagpur he was being sheltered by King Bhosle the king of that time and then later on he moved to a place at the bank of a river near Nagpur, a place known as Waki.
वाकी।
And at Waki, Baba saw him and he had meeting with Avatar Meher Baba. And he was established there. So there are 3 4 places where his dargah is there. Even he was declared mad by Britishers. Actually, see those days, olden days, he has really so many miraculous activities. So people got attracted to them. So some of the people they used to ask the numbers for the lottery numbers or things like that, like satta and all that. And so it was kind of disturbing for him also. So, in order to escape from all this, what Tajuddin Baba did, one day he walked in the British club simply naked between the women, where women sitting,
कामठी,
and it was kind
कामठी,
of part of yeah.
कामठी।
So county yeah and on the so it was taken as a indecency on part of Tajuddin Baba and then he was sentenced but there also inside the jail also people did not leave him so they had to make a different arrangement for Tajuddin Baba and there also so then he was sent to mental asylum also so I seen that mental hospital is beautiful now I think that's a very beautiful place they have made in honor of Tajuddin Baba. There are many education institutions also. So the entire Nagpur city got blessed with Tajuddin Baba's presence. Yeah. Uh, yeah, please go ahead, Manikji.
टुकड़ो जी महाराज के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा।
Yeah, now
राष्ट्र
he
संत
like to
टुकड़ो जी महाराज
say, now Manikji
जब
wants
मेहर
to
बाबा,
say, yeah, just a minute, please. So Manikji wants to talk about Tukdoji Maharaj also. Because Baba liked Tukdoji Maharaj also, and he was a famous, he written many poetries of Hang, and Tukdoji Maharaj came to Baba in 1943. Yeah, please go ahead, Manikji.
तो सर जी वो टुकड़ो जी महाराज जब गोरक्षण में आए थे, तो
हाँ,
बाबा भी थे वहां पर। बाबा का
okay,
दर्शन प्रोग्राम चालू था
yeah,
गोरक्षण में, वर्धा रोड,
yeah,
नागपुर।
right, yeah.
तो वहां पर उन्होंने फिर वो भजन गाए बाबा के सामने,
हाँ,
और बहुत खूब रोए जब दर्शन
yeah.
किए उन्होंने,
वाह
खूब रोए।
या
हाँ, और उन्होंने वहां पर ही तुरंत एक भजन लिखा,
हाँ
अवताराचे कार्य कराया, वेळ आता का उरला वगैरह, ऐसा ऐसा
हाँ
था मराठी में। हाँ,
या प्लीज से
ठीक।
अगेन अवताराचे
कार्य
अवताराचे
कराया,
हाँ
कार्य कराया,
हाँ हाँ
वेळ
हाँ
अजूनही का उरला का। हाँ,
अच्छा, वेड
અને
अजूनही
अभी और हाँ उर्ला का
अभी अहिंसा जी, कैन यू टेल
अभी
what was that poetry? अव, डू अवतारिक अवतार
बाबा
ले,
काय आहे ते अवताराचे
अवतार
कार्य कराया.
हाँ वेळ अजूनी का उरला रे असं
okay, there
काहीतरी
is
होतं.
no time left. Let's
हा
do avatar
राईट.
avatar's work. Yeah, so Gadge Maharaj ji was
वर्क
yeah, cried before Baba.
हाँ,
And you know, see, we heard yesterday, we were talking about those who came to Baba, they always cried. Even I was there when I was 9-year-old boy, I was crying. I don't know. Now I understand why I was crying, because he's the real father. And there are people who were, they everyone cried. So even the Saint Gadge Maharaj also cried. So you can see the status of Meher Baba. Baba said that he is the highest of the high. So the status of his status, even the saints also, and must they recognized. Yeah, please go ahead.
अभी मैं भजन गजल बोल रहा हूँ
Yeah,
ठीक है
please.
चलेगा
Yeah,
हाँ?
चलेगा, दौड़ेगा. Yeah,
या बाबा ने लिखी हुई जो हुमा की नाम से है
okay.
उसको पहले पढ़ूंगा थोड़ी सी
Yeah,
2-3 स्टांजाज फिर बाद में
Yeah.
वो जो सिमाप को मुक्ति दिलाई
Yeah.
मेहर बाबा ने
okay. हाँ, sure.
वो सिमाप तो पहले ही मर चुके थे माने बॉडी तो ड्रॉप कर दिए थे फिर भी वो जब बाबा के
हाँ.
सामने जब
हाँ,
सिमाप की गजल कोई कव्वाल या गजल गायक ने गाई तो उसी
हाँ,
वक्त
हाँ.
उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया तुरंत कि
हाँ,
इसको मैं
हाँ.
मुक्त कर रहा हूँ जन्म
Okay.
मरण के फेरे
Liberation.
से
Yeah.
मुक्त
कर
करता हूँ
रहा हूँ.
हाँ
Liberation. Yeah.
पहले मैं बाबा की गजल पढ़ूंगा बाबा की
Okay.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय जालिम बशर की दुनिया जालिम बशर की दुनिया होगा मकान कब तक जालिम बशर की दुनिया होगा मकान कब तक मुफलिस को सताने का होगा ये काम कब तक जालिम बशर की दुनिया जालिम बशर की दुनिया होगा मकान कब तक मीठे ही फल दिलाऊं साबिर सजन को तेरी मीठे ही फल दिलाऊं साबिर सजन को तेरी मुझको ये तेरा हरदम मुझको ये तेरा हरदम होगा पयाम कब तक जालिम बशर की दुनिया होगा मकान कब तक कदमों पे तेरे सर हो दिल मेरा तेरा घर हो कदमों पे तेरे सर हो दिल मेरा तेरा घर हो खिदमत में तेरी ख्वाजा ख्वाजा खिदमत में तेरी ख्वाजा रहेगा गुलाम कब तक आखिर क्या कहते हैं बेहद हुई इबादत कायम रही ये आदत बेहद हुई इबादत कायम रही ये आदत बेहद हुई इबादत कायम रही ये आदत कहते रहेगा हुमा कहते रहेगा हुमा यज़दा का नाम कब तक कहते रहेगा हुमा यज़दा का नाम कब तक मुफलिस को सताने का होगा ये काम कब तक जालिम बशर की दुनिया होगा मकान कब तक अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय
amazing, amazing. Yeah, I
नेक्स्ट
first time I heard this ghazal,
हाँ
Huma
फर्स्ट टाइम
ghazal.
हाँ
This, yeah, and
वो
really,
आपसे आपसे
Baba.
आप लोगों से तो लिए थी मैंने, आप लोगों ने दिए
Uh-huh.
थे,
Uh-huh. Yeah,
पूना वालों ने दिए थे ना, मोहन ने,
yeah,
मोहन
yeah,
के।
yeah. Yeah, we collected some few ghazals,
हाँ
and
हाँ
we wanted to sing, and yeah, but whatever we could get, we collected and distributed. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. So yeah, wonderful,
नेक्स्ट गजल
wonderful.
सिमाब।
Huh. Okay.
सिमाब सर
Yeah.
सिमाब की थोड़ी सी झलक, सिमाब की
Sure.
गजल
हाँ
गाओ क्या?
हाँ हाँ, प्लीज, हाँ,
गाऊं?
गाइए गाइए, जरूर जरूर आपका।
हाँ, क्योंकि बाबा ने जब उनको मुक्त कर दिया है तो वो बहुत
जी,
पावरफुल गजल होगी,
हाँ, जरूर
स्पिरिचुअल
जरूर।
गजल।
हाँ
अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे, अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे, मिलने से क्या मिला, अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे, मिलने से क्या मिला, इरफान गम हुआ मुझे, दिल का पता मिला, अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे, मिलने से क्या मिला, मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली, दुआ मिला है, मंजिल मिली मुराद मिली, दुआ मिला, सब कुछ मुझे मिला जो तेरा नक्श पा मिला, सीमा को शगुफूतन देखा तमाम उम्र, कम वक्त जब मिला हमें, गम आशना मिला, इरफान गम हुआ मुझे, दिल का पता मिला, अब क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे, मिलने से क्या मिला। बाबा को गजलें बहुत पसंद थी, गजलों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन अगर सही रहा तो वो हार्ट को टच करता है,
हाँ,
वो अगर उसमें इमोशंस ला दो गाते वक्त
yeah,
तो बाबा को बहुत पसंद आती है वो चीजें, हृदय
very
से
good.
जो आती है,
Yeah,
हृदय से बाय हार्ट,
yeah,
वो ही चीजें पसंद आती है। उनको वो कलाकारी वगैरह नहीं चाहिए, तो
right.
दिल से चाहिए जो
दिल
कुछ
के
भी चाहिए।
चाहिए।
बाबा ने
मानिक
एक
जी,
जगह कहा है, अगर
हाँ
एक
बोलिए।
मेरी एक गजल अगर, हेलो एक मिनट, सॉरी,
हाँ, या,
अगर मेरा कोई बंदा कोई गायक एक गजल गाता है कोई मीटिंग में, सभा में, तो
हाँ,
वो 1 घंटे का भाषण होता है, 1 घंटे का भाषण जो वार्ता होती है ना, वो होता है इसमें। हाँ,
I
जय
think
बाबा।
very beautifully आपने you have put everything, the meaning of the ghazal as you explained, that if someone, instead of giving a lecture, if somebody sings one ghazal by heart and with the feelings, So that is equivalent to so many talks and speeches. And it should be sung by heart. That's what Baba meant. That reminds me that the one day I was also sitting in the room with Baba, and Baba asked everyone. I was sitting there with my father. My age was 9 years in 1960, Guru Prasad. And Baba asked there, sitting in the hall, people to sing one by one. My father also sang. Of course, I was little boy. I was not asked by Baba, but I was listening. And then there were Madhusudan and other singers. And then comes the turn of Dr. Deshmukh. And Deshmukh was, Deshmukh Sahib is also from Nagpur, and such a great person, great devotee of Baba. And he was also very fond of learning music. And so he also, Baba, when Baba asked him, he started singing ghazals. And he just went like, oh, and he's shaking his head, and he was so absorbed. And Baba started laughing and laughing, and Baba enjoyed it so much. And so I felt like, oh, see, he entertained Baba so much because he put so much heart in it, and he made Godman laugh and laugh and laugh. Really, so we don't know who touches his heart. There are instances when famous ghazal singers were called in front of Baba. Baba didn't like their ghazals, and some other ghazal singer, very ordinary ghazal singer, and Baba liked it. So it really matters that whom beloved Baba likes his singing and whom doesn't like, irrespective of his name or fame or technicality. Yeah.
उबाले गारू
That's
उबाले गारू मेरा फरमाइश है, आप एक
हाँ।
जोरदार कवा गजल, तीनों गजल मैं कोशिश करता हूँ उसमें 2 गजल गाइए। तेरे
हाँ।
दरबार में आने का बहुत मजा आता है, या दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगे, या
हाँ।
भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो इस तरह याद आने से क्या फायदा। तीनों में
हाँ।
आपको जो मर्जी है आप गाइए।
ठीक है, भूलने वाले गाता हूँ। ठीक है,
2 गाना पड़ेगा,
आज भूलने वाले से गाया नहीं मैंने।
भूलने वाले से
हैदराबाद
दर दर पे, या
हैदराबाद में गाया था, तब से नहीं गाया मैंने।
दर दर पे तेरा दरबार भी।
अच्छा, वो भी गाएंगे।
And Meher Chandji, you have to translate it, please.
When Vijay is there, Meherchand is out.
वो अगर याद करें हमको, ये शेर है। वो अगर याद करें हमको तो भूले किसको, हम अगर उनको भुलाएं तो किसे याद करें। भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा, इस तरह याद आने से क्या फायदा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा। हैदराबाद में गाया, तब से मैं अभी पहली बार गा रहा हूँ इस प्रोग्राम में। मेहरचंद, जब मेरे दिल की दुनिया बसाते नहीं, जब मेरे दिल की दुनिया बसाते नहीं, फिर ख्यालों में आने से क्या फायदा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा। 4 दिन के जला कर के क्या मिल गया, मिट सका ना जमाने से मेरा निशा, मिट सका ना जमाने से मेरा निशा। मुझ पे बिजली गिराओ तो जाने सही, मुझ पे बिजली गिराऊं तो जाने सही, आशियां पे गिराने से क्या फायदा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा। लाख समझाया तुमको मगर ऐ शमीम, लाख समझाया तुमको मगर ऐ शमीम, तेरी होशियारी आखिर न काम आ सकी। आंख मिलती गई राज खुलता गया, आंख मिलती गई राज खुलता गया, अब हकीकत छुपाने से क्या फायदा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा। इस तरह याद आने से क्या फायदा, भूलने वाले से कोई कह दो जरा। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। सो भूलने वाले से कह दो जरा, इस तरह है याद
तरह
आए
याद
तो
आने
क्या,
से
कि हाँ
क्या
मतलब
फायदा।
इसका एसेंस क्या है, इसका जो मीनिंग, मतलब कैसे भूलने वाले से कह दो, तो इसमें भूलने वाला कौन है?
भूलने
मतलब
वाला
ये जो सीकर है या जो मतलब किसको भूलने के लिए इसमें मतलब कोई प्रियतम कौन है और चाहने वाला कौन है, तो कैसा, मतलब इसका मेरे को क्लियर नहीं हुआ है, जो क्या पोएट का क्या मैसेज देना चाहता है।
पोएट ये कहना चाहता है।
Vijay, shall I
हाँ
tell you?
हाँ
Baba always says that in spite of my repeatedly telling you, you won't. I have been coming from ancient to ancient time now. In spite of I am telling, that's the reason I have not come to teach you to awakening. So Baba says you are forgetting everything. That's the reason I'm constantly awakening you. That's the real substance of the भूलने वालों से। भूलने वालों से भूलने वालों से कह दो इस तरह याद आने से। Mean you won't remember regularly, Baba. If you remember
Amazing,
constantly,
amazing.
yeah,
Oh, that's
yeah,
a great meaning, great meaning.
yeah,
So it's a
yeah,
message from directly Baba, because
yeah,
he comes, Baba said that he has come to awaken us. So when we are constantly forgetting Lord, and he has to come back again in 700 years and 1400 years, and to remind us to remember God and what is our real destiny, who is our real father. So भूलने वाले से कह दो, इस तरह है,
जरा
भूल, हाँ जरा,
भूलने वाले से कह दो जरा,
हाँ हाँ
तरह याद आने से क्या फायदा।
हाँ हाँ, या और फिर वो जो दिल में बैठ जाओ तो फायदा, means those who are forgetting him, they should actually put him in their hearts, and so once if they put in their heart, then they will not forget. So you have to remember him in their hearts. So if you remember him in the by heart, then definitely he will be remembered for all the time. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful ghazal. So wonderful essence. Yeah. थैंक यू महरचंद जी,
तेरे दरबार में आने से क्या फायदा। इरशाद उबाले सारू उबाले गारू तेरे दरबार में आने से, तेरे दरबार दर पे दरबार या तेरे दरबार में आने से,
ठीक है,
एनीथिंग।
ये बाबा का दरबार हक है, जिसे जो मिला है वहीं से मिला है, कहीं मांगने की जरूरत नहीं है हमें, जबकि ऐसा खजाना मिला है। मेरे बाबा का हमें आस्ताना मिला। तेरे दरबार में आने में मजा आता है, तेरे दरबार में आने में मजा आता है, हमें तो तेरे बुलाने में मजा आता है। दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगे, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगे, हर दर पे तेरे हो दीवाने, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगे, हर दर पे हो तेरे दीवाने, दीवाने 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 दीवाने। मस्त नजर वाले बाबा, वो मस्त नजर वाले बाबा, मस्तों के हो मन के मस्ताने, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार। हर शय में तेरी सरकार बने, हर शय में तेरे हो बुत खाने, हर शय में तेरी सरकार बने, हर शय में तेरे हो बुत खाने। वो मेरे नजर है नूर जहां, वो मेरे नजर है नूर जहां, हर दिल में तेरे हो मैं खाने, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार। ये दर भी तेरा आबाद रहे, ये घर भी तेरा आबाद रहे, ये दर भी तेरा आबाद रहे, ये घर भी तेरा आबाद रहे। दिलों के दिल है शाह जहां है, दिलों के दिल है शाह जहां, शमा रहे हम परवाने, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगी, हर दर पे हो तेरे दीवाने, दीवाने 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 दीवाने, दर दर पे तेरा दरबार लगे।
Beautiful, beautiful, wonderful.
बाबा
And
की जय।
see, Jay, Jay, Manik Waleji, your voice and your harmonium play is really excellent. And
Thank you.
yeah. And
Thank you.
of course, sometime when you don't practice means, see, I can understand every day, because I really appreciate Pratap ji, who sings at this age. He must be something like above 85, but still he's maintaining his throat. And I am very thankful to this Zoom family that every day, morning and evening, there is a Aarti group, and I sing every day bhajan in this Aarti, and it is such an inspiring thing. So, what the ghazal you sang just now, the Darbar. So, Darbar, the meaning of Darbar, where the assembly of the lovers of God. And what he says, he loves the poet says, what Manik ji sang just now, the poet says, ki every door to door, there, let there be assembly of the lovers of God, and let I participate in the assembly of his lovers of God. And I am the divana, and that what he feels. So see, such a place, he says ki I am divana, I am mad after the assembly of God. So yeah, actually I also appreciate when those Baba singers, more than they gather, they talk about God, they sing His praise. Oh, so that's really wonderful, and one gets addicted to it. The singer, the poet, he says he's addicted to it, and he has made after it those assembly, the darbar of the Lord. Yeah, so that's beautiful. Yeah. And yeah, so once Nanaji told me when once I went to Samadhi, and I made it whenever I go to Samadhi, I sing a bhajan. And one day I did not sing, and so he was really unhappy. Later on, he catches hold of me and say, "आपने भजन क्यों नहीं गाया?" Every time when you sing, you come here, you sing bhajans. Now Meher Baba is all over. Now today we went to Samadhi, Mehrabad. But we are now nobody can enter inside. Everybody has to take his darshan from outside. And I wanted to. Even people are not allowed to bow down. Touch means like bow down, and just simply you go there and fold your hand and keep passing. So then I bought flowers on the way, and when I came home, I put those flowers at Baba's picture. So now Baba is there at home, and he is everywhere now. Yeah. So yeah, beautiful. So what I mean to say that उबाले साहब आप भी डेली आप गाते रहिए, तो आपका गला एकदम स्मूथ बना रहेगा, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू लूज योर वॉइस एंड योर सिंगिंग. वी enjoyed it, such a pleasure. So every day if you participate either in some singing or some darbar like you sang just now, तो आई थिंक वी विल
मैं अभी
एंजॉय
वेदर
दैट.
वेदर चेंज है नहीं, इधर का वेदर
हाँ
सर्दी जुकाम है,
हाँ
इसलिए
हाँ
थोड़ा
हाँ, या आई कैन
Uncle,
अंडरस्टैंड. या
you have
या
very rightly said that
या
means Baba should sing daily, and
या
this is taken care of by my mother, Sharda Ubale,
या
Sharda
या
Garu.
Yeah.
So she's
इज शी
I
always
देयर?
always make fun.
yeah,
Uh,
she's always behind my father, and
या
she always scolds him for not doing riyas, for not taking care of his
या
voice.
रियाज
Whatever
रियाज रियाज.
credit goes, it goes to my mother.
हाँ हाँ
shall I tell you, Vijay, why is today Ubale is not in full form?
या
The reason behind is he's staying in
अच्छा
his house, and
या
Ahimsa is staying in her house, and he needs
हाँ
someone to be uh, like
nagging
putting
him.
if a tire is to be filled with air, you have to pump it. He needs a pumping. So either Ahimsa is not there and Sharda Garu is also not there, and whole family should perform. He doesn't need 1 or 3 songs. Minimum 10 to 15 songs, 1 to 2 hours program just to give Ubale. He makes real Baba's grace. He makes everyone in. Then we really feel that we are in the Savas in the company of Baba.
No, I
Yeah,
think
now that Sharda comes.
yeah
Jai
Meher
Baba.
Singh
Sharda
ji,
Garu,
we
Jai
are
Mer Baba.
जय बाबा.
जय बाबा शारदा जी.
हाँ,
या
इनका गला मैं बराबर करती हूँ.
दबा के
इनका गला वॉइस
दबा के
अच्छी केयर करती हूँ मैं.
ओके
गला
ओके.
दबा के
बाबा
करती है वो.
बाबा
हाँ
बाबा
हाँ
या
बाबा भालेकर
हाँ
अंकलचं म्हणणं असं आहे की तुमचा आवाज इतका सुंदर आहे आणि तुम्ही इतकी छान हार्मोनियम वाजवता, तर हे
हाँ
आम्हाला कुठेच म्हणजे याचा लॉस नको व्हायला आम्हाला. ह्या
बस
राईट.
गोष्टीपासून आम्ही कधीच वंचित
हाँ
राहायला नको, म्हणून
या
तुम्ही रोज रियाज करा असं म्हणणं आहे त्यांचं.
हाँ
हाँ, तो मी कान पकडतो त्यांच्या समोर.
अरे नका नका, बाबाच्या समोर तुम्ही जा, पण कान पकडायच्या ऐवजी तुम्ही एक भजन डेली ह्या मीटिंग मध्ये म्हणा. एक भजन जर तुम्ही म्हटले ना, तर तुमचा गळा एकदम छान मस्त राहणार.
हा
हा, तर
मी
हे जे
आहे ना, यांचा गळा सांभाळायला मी आहे ना. यांचा
बरं
गळा
बरं
मी
बरं बरं.
ते गरम पाणी त्याला गरम पाणी जरा गरम पाणी दो. और
बिल्कुल.
and
मसाज. या
Vijay
या
But shall I
Yeah.
tell you, Ubale's voice is insured with Avatar Meher Baba. Don't worry.
Okay, okay. No,
His
no,
voice
but
is insured
uh,
with in the insurance company of Avatar Meher Baba.
yeah,
The more
definitely.
the songs he sings, he'll be more exposed.
Yeah, yeah. But I request him at least one song daily. So,
Yeah.
हाँ
yeah, yeah, yeah. One song is enough.
इसलिए
I don't want.
तो
Yeah.
हुमा की गजलें भेज दो आप, हुमा की
एक्चुअली
गजलें
मैंने आपको
भेज
कल
दीजिए।
16 मैंने आपको कल 16 गजल्स भेजी 16, लेकिन आपका
हाँ
व्हाट्सएप में
वो
थोड़ा
तो मिल गई,
प्रॉब्लम है।
हुमा की। आई वांट हुमा's गजल्स।
ओके, मैं
हुमा
एक एक करके आपको भेजूंगा व्हाट्सएप में।
ओके सर।
हाँ 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 हाँ, जरूर जरूर। सो
अभी
प्रकाश
अहिंसा का
जी।
सुनना है हमको थोड़ा सा।
जी जी। हाँ हाँ हाँ, प्लीज प्लीज अहिंसा
प्रकाश
जी।
जी
हाँ, गजल प्लीज गो हेड।
या अब कैसा है कि अभी समाधि तो खुल गई है,
जी
और लेकिन जैसे आपने कहा कि बाबा के दर्शन, जैसे हम पहले समाधि पर माथा टेकते थे, तो वो एक अलग सुकून जो मिलता था
जी
अभी कहीं तो भी मिसिंग है। लेकिन आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही भालेकर अंकल,
जी।
कि बाबा इज एवरीवेयर. Baba
या
is at our home now because you
या
bought the flowers and you offered it to Baba's photograph, which
या
was there at your home. So Baba is
राइट
everywhere. Baba
राइट।
is at our home, in our heart, everywhere. So when Samadhi was closed, so that feeling कि हम बाबा की समाधि पर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, so that kind of a feeling is somewhat relatable feeling is there in this ghazal. So I would like to recite this ghazal in the at the feet of Baba. बुलवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। मिल भी जाते हैं तो अतरा के निकल जाते हैं। हाय मौसम की तरह लोग बदल जाते हैं। रास्ते याद नहीं, रहनुमा याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं, रहनुमा याद नहीं। कुछ मुझे अब तेरी गलियों के सिवा याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं। दे सके तू मेरे जज्बात को ताना जिसका, दे सके तू मेरे जज्बात को ताना जिसका। मुझको ऐसी तो कोई अपनी खता याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं। दूर रह कर भी तेरी याद को पूजा मैंने, दूर रह कर भी तेरी याद को पूजा मैंने। ये न कहना कि मुझे याद आए वफा याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं। याद क्या आए वो बीते हुए सावन मुझको, याद क्या आए वो बीते हुए सावन मुझको, मैं वो पंछी हूँ जिसे अपनी ही सदा याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं, रहनुमा याद नहीं, कुछ मुझे अब तेरी गलियों के सिवा याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं, रास्ते याद नहीं।
Beautiful,
Full of
beautiful, very touching song, very touching song. And what Ahimsa ji gave is really, it has just taken us to Samadhi. And she's expressing that because she's not able to go to the Samadhi, and so she says she's not remembering those ways, she's not remembering. She's forgetting all those ways. And today when I went there, I saw the grass was grown bigger, very big grass all around the Samadhi area. And of course it was green. So yeah, very touching song. Thank you, Ahimsa ji. Yeah,
Thank you, uncle.
yeah.
One more thing I would like to add, that
Mm-hmm.
we were talking about music as a whole.
Mm-hmm.
So the only aim of music is to connect to that divine power, to Baba, to God.
Mm-hmm.
This is the only aim. जो मुख्य
हम्म.
उद्देश्य आहे संगीताचा, तो त्या
हम्म.
परमात्म्याशी एकरूप होण्याचाच आहे, किंवा त्याच्याशी
हम्म.
कनेक्ट होण्याचंच हे एक खूप सशक्त माध्यम आहे, an effective medium of connecting to the highest of the high, Baba.
Very good.
Wonderful, wonderful. And actually, in God Speaks, Meher Baba said that the evolution, see, the Parbrahma, Paramatma is beyond. This is all illusion, Baba said. ये सब माया है, this is illusion. And but this illusion is required. This illusion is required to be experienced. जैसे कि उजाले का इम्पोर्टेंस जानने के लिए अंधेरे में जाते हैं, तो अंधेरा जब तक नहीं जाएंगे, मीन्स तो अंधेरा जब नहीं ज्ञात होगा तो उजाला कैसे अप्रिशिएट करेंगे. सो वैसे ही जो रियलिटी है बाबा का, तो जब तक हम इल्यूजन को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करेंगे, but till we experience this illusion, we cannot understand what reality is. So that's why we have to go through this illusion, and this evolution of this entire creation is because of the duality, Dvait. And it started from Om. So that is again the sound, Om sound.
Naad.
And the Nad, Om. So even now scientists also they are exploring on that Om, and NASA and all. So and sound. So that's really it always there. It is always there. It never gets destroyed. It is in the space and all over.
Uncle, you must be remembering one more statement by beloved Baba, that he has said ki the music, that divine music, that naad, that sound, it's far more beautiful. Means when we listen to
Yeah. The sound.
which is
Yeah.
which usually listen.
Can you repeat
that
it
is-
because the sound
Yes,
was
I had yeah. I was about to say that Baba has quoted a very beautiful statement regarding the music of the universe, of the entire what we can say galaxy. So he has said ki that music is far more beautiful than what music we listen now. Now means whatever music we listen to. Whatever
you
has
are correct.
whatever
You are
music
correct.
has
Yeah.
originated.
Yeah,
That
you
music means
correctly.
that divine
Yeah,
music from
yeah,
which this whole universe has been created, originated. So that music is far, far, far more beautiful
yeah,
than
yeah.
this music which we
Yeah,
usually listen.
correct. Yeah, correctly said. When evolution in this entire this the creation, Baba said that there are subtle world. This is a gross world. Then there are subtle world, and then mental world. So the music of the subtle world, that sound is far superior than the sound of this gross world. And then again there is a mental world, and that sound of the mental world is still further better. And
Yes,
that sound itself is God is
yes.
everything. Yeah, so beautiful.
विजय
Yeah,
विजय
yeah.
जय बाबा।
Jai
मेरे
Baba.
बाबा ने एक
हाँ,
जगह ऐसा, मेरे बाबा ने बताया है एक जगह,
हाँ,
ऐसा बताया है कि मैं अगर ये म्यूजिक नहीं सुनता, ये नाद, ओम,
हाँ,
ये
हाँ,
म्यूजिक अगर नहीं सुनता तो ये
हम्म,
सृष्टि का निर्माण नहीं होता, नहीं करता मैं।
yeah,
आई वाज
correct.
अलोन दैट टाइम।
हाँ,
मैंने वो
हाँ,
ही वाज, वो अकेले थे, अकेला था वो। तो उन्होंने
yeah.
म्यूजिक सुना, उनको फिर वो हुआ लहर से ही जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण, उसकी
Very
देवी
good, very
अनंतता
good.
का कैसे वो अनुमान, ये जो है
हाँ,
ये बाबा
हाँ,
ने बताया कि वो
हाँ,
म्यूजिक सुने उन्होंने, वो करके वो
divine,
सृष्टि का
divine
निर्माण,
music. Yeah,
लहर आई उस वक्त लहर आई कि नहीं, मैं
wind. Yeah.
अकेला नहीं रहूंगा, अभी मेरे साथ में होना चाहिए लोग, ये सृष्टि
Alright.
चाहिए, ये सुंदरता चाहिए।
सृष्टि चाहिए. Yeah. हाँ,
जय बाबा।
yeah.
1 minute,
लेकिन हमको
Ubale ji, 1 minute. See, Baba said
हाँ
Baba used to love music a lot and children a lot. And Baba
हाँ
is always entertained by Pune Bhajan Mandali or some ghazal singer. They used to
हाँ
come and perform before Baba. Baba used to feel. And still recently I was reading a
हाँ
book in New Life, because Baba
हाँ
at Bahuji's book at 592, Baba said, because I want, if Imsa can sing that song, is very good. Baba liked that song. Before he asked Rustum Kaka to sing, Payo ji maine meher ratan dan payo. That is, Payo re man, Ram ratan dan. After
हाँ,
listening, Baba said, today I'm
हाँ
very happy. I heard the music, and that music is coming from the ancient to ancient. And it is the foundation
हाँ,
step for my new life, my Manonash space. If
वाह,
the reference is made
क्या
at
बात।
592 and 593. So if Ahimsa can sing that bhajan Payore, that is a Meera bhajan. Baba used to like
Payuji
Meera
man.
bhajans a lot.
मैंने
Yes, yes,
Payore,
uncle.
my, yeah, you
I
just sing.
found,
But Baba
I
is
पायो जी
found,
मैंने,
Rustum,
yeah,
Baba is changed. Rustum Kaka is to change instead of Ram, Meher. Ram
Yes.
Ratan was instead of that Meher Ratan.
Meher.
Okay?
हाँ,
Yeah.
yes.
So it's a great that Baba called the name of is a treasure. It's a great treasure. So I got that great treasure of the name of the
Yes.
Lord Ram or Meher. Yeah,
Uncle, I'll sing 2 lines.
yeah. Please.
आयु जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन पायो, वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु, वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु, कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन पायो, मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर, रस गायो, पायो जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने मिहिर रतन धन, मिहिर रतन धन, मिहिर रतन धन पायो।
Wow.
Wonderful,
Wonderful, wonderful. God
Yeah.
ki
Good.
jai.
It is,
Yeah.
Ansa, very good because you have timed at appropriate time and the new life now is going to start. Baba started new life on 16th October. So this was related to, this song is related to new life. So we have that Rustum Kaka every day used to sing this song before Baba during Hyderabad meeting. So we are fortunate to hear this song. Baba singing in Baba's company, I can say. And if you any,
Thank you.
because already I've posted this thing to in one of, I think I've sent to Betty also this link in our WhatsApp. Otherwise, again I'll send it to you.
Yeah, these
Payo
are
re
beautiful.
Mehranathan.
Yeah, beautiful
Uncle,
wordings. Yeah, yeah.
Uncle,
Go
I'll
ahead.
have to leave now because
Yeah.
there's a function going on in our society.
Okay. Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
have to leave. So thank you so much
Thank you so
for
much. Yeah,
inviting
yeah.
us on such a wonderful platform. And Jai Baba to one and all from all
Hey,
my
Jai
And
Meher
family.
Baba. Next time,
we expect
next
you
time,
once again. We
next time
expect
you
you
should
once
come along
again.
with your father, not with you
Yes.
saying separately and all. And if possible, Abale, and there is no invitation
Yes.
for you. This is no invitation. You are the family member
No,
of Meher family.
I
So no
yes, I'm a
invitation. You are,
member of
it is up.
family. Yes.
You are. It is your house. You have to come. That's all.
Yes, yes, definitely, uncle. Definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Jai
Okay.
Meher Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai
Thank
Baba
you, thank
Baba.
you.
Jai
Jai
Baba.
Baba,
Yeah.
Jai
जय
Baba.
बाबा
Thank you.
Jai Baba.
Thank you. Manik ji, thank you for coming. And
जय बाबा
such a great
जय बाबा
pleasure. Please come again, once again. Yeah.
वेर इज
Yeah.
प्रकाश प्रकाश मैं
जय
Yeah,
बाबा, जय
Prakash.
बाबा जी, जय बाबा जी,
जय बाबा जय बाबा प्रकाश जय बाबा
जय बाबा।
Prakash ji,
वो
thank
बहुत
you.
आपको, I mean, listening to you is just divine. I mean,
Pleasure.
and your
Thank you.
daughter. I mean, it's just beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर
Ubale Garu, Prakash
Ah.
is also, Prakash is Koti Center, Prakash Rao साहब का
Grandson.
grandson है. नातू है, नातू.
जय बाबा।
अरे बाप रे अरे वाह
प्रकाश जी
वाह
न्यू जर्सी में रहते हैं। प्रकाश जी न्यू जर्सी में है, अमेरिका में है। एंड रेगुलरली अटेंड करते हैं वो आपका जो आरती गैंग। या
नहीं, बट आप आइएगा जरूर अगेन। आई मीन वन मोर टाइम। आई मीन या जय बाबा।
जरूर आएंगे
थैंक यू। जय बाबा।
जय मेहर बाबा।
जय
अवतार मेहर बाबा
मेहर
की
बाबा
जय।
की जय जय। Thank you.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। अवतार मेहर।
थैंक यू फॉर
मेहर बाबा
अटेंडिंग।
की जय।
जय। थैंक यू प्रकाश जी। गुड
जय
नाइट।
बाबा। जय बाबा।
Thank you,
Thanks
Vijay Babu.
Vijay ji for organizing this. It was great listening to Ubale ji and his daughter Ahimsa. Yeah.
And next week, once again, our Latali Meji, she's agreed to come. So next Thursday, we are going to hear from Lataji. And I talked to Mehernath ji also. So maybe Mehernath ji also talk something about Ghazal. So again, so please come again next week, Thursday.
So Mehernath Kalchuri.
Yeah, Mehernath Kalchuri, trustee. So he has also agreed that he will also talk about ghazals.
Oh.
So yeah.
Thank you so much, BJ. This is so, what an opportunity. It's different.
I agree. It's such a lovely program. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
making
But-
it happen.
Shall I
that-
stop recording now, BJ? Yeah? Stop
Yeah.
recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, stop.
Yeah. Okay.